it going?
Go to the river.
I was gonna go to the river later if you wanna go.
But we have to fix ours. They're broken.
Yeah, they look a little like carrots.
Yeah.
But you know they're fennel. Did you smell it?
They don't smell the same.
Yeah, they don't smell the same. Can you hold this, Zoe? I'm gonna make a salad with this and some turnips. If you want, you can eat this lettuce head, and I'll get another one for dinner, okay? When me and my wife Kate moved up to the country and started this farm, we wanted to get closer to our food, be able to cook the things that we grew, to make meals from the farm and from the land. But I think it never occurred to us the added dimension that the kids would add. To be able to share that with our kids on a daily basis is just such an amazing part of farming and cooking. The kids just absolutely love it. I didn't eat, as many vegetables as my kids do, or love it as much. Kids who can reach to the ground and just grab greens and shove them in their mouth is amazing. It's I think we feel like we give our kids this huge gift of being able to live that way. When you're living in the city, it's so different, and that aspect of life wasn't available to us except on the weekends. And so to be fully immersed in it and to spend the afternoon gathering the bits and pieces for your meals, it's just a great way to spend the day. Such a wonderful way to spend time with the kids. To really spread out a meal over many hours and let the kids see what the beginning, from the harvest to the preparation to the final meal, it increases the excitement I have for it, to see their excitement. And it doesn't matter what you're cooking. We just grab what looks good and we throw it together. It's not going to be bad. All the fresh ingredients from the farm being thrown together, it's going to taste good. You know, the kids have seen the process of raising the animals from the time they're babies to slaughter. The kids take care of them, they feed them, and they see the great life that they have. And that circle of life. And I was a vegetarian for 30 years until I could really be involved in the raising of my own animals. Love you. One more outlier. You know, now the kids have gotten so into it, they started their own little farm in the back of the house. You know, without any input from me and Kate. They set up beds, planted seeds, started raising crops.
You ready, guys? All right, let's do it.
You know, in the winter, they look out the window waiting for the snow to melt so they can start their little farm back up.
No radish, don't worry.
One for Mama, one for me.
Cheers.
And one for Zoe.
Food, family, and farming.
Where's one for me? Oh, yeah. That's one for me. I don't see it. Oh, where's this for me?